The GI tract is home to trillions of microorganisms that play important roles in human health. This microbial ecosystem varies from one person to the next due to a wide range of genetic and environmental factors. One of the many underlying genetic factors is the FUT2 gene. This gene drives the secretion of ABO antigens into the intestine, where they act as prebiotics that support friendly bacteria. About 20% of the population cannot secrete these antigens due to loss of gene function. This is often caused by a SNP called W134X or RS601338. The homozygous AA variant causes what we call a non-secretor phenotype. This isn't necessarily a disadvantage, as it can boost certain aspects of immune function in the upper GI tract. But the homozygous variant can also alter the microbiome in the colon. In a small study of 71 healthy subjects, loss of FUT2 function was linked to lower diversity, richness, and abundance of bifidobacteria. These individuals may benefit from nutritional strategies that support bifidobacteria, such as prebiotics or probiotics.